here, one of my classes was once asking, like, what do you do with the feet? So from here, is it on the balls of your feet or is it flat? Okay, which one is it? So what we're going to practice from here is we're going to practice the striking. So what it means is, if someone's in your garden, they've got the legs trapped round, when you're up on the balls of your feet, you're less stable. So they can now move you because your weight is now higher up. Okay, so from here, so if you want to remain in the guard area here and control it and see what happens, you want to now drop, hips back down and drop your weight. So now it's harder for you to get shifted. Okay, so now you can stay here. But if you're wanting to hit them in the head or get any power, you can't get any power from here because you can't drive from your legs or anything. So from there, you need to be up on the balls of your feet, just the same way as you drive the power from here through the feet. So when you're here, whoosh, now you can drive it, whoosh, because now you can push off your feet. So from there, you're going to be on the balls of your feet. And then from here, you're either going to practice your hammer fist, so your straight punches. So from there, you can now push and drive. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Here. Then you drop and relax, and that's your breather. Okay, don't have to have your hands here, just put your hands there. Head up, back straight, so they can't try to reach you. So you've got your spine upright. Ideally what happens is when they try to shrimp and move, you always have your spine directly in line with their spine. Those that have done the MMA seminars with me have seen that word. When you want to strike from here, posture up on your toes, and then from there decide, you know, what strikes you're doing.